everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have a recipe that I'm about to make, and it is called a Crockpot Cabbage roll casserole. It is a Crockpot Cabbage roll casserole. Okay, the first thing I am going to add is my ground beef. I already done cut my cabbage. Let me add my ground beef and onions. So I'm adding ground beef, onions, which is red onions, and I'm also adding some bell pepper. But it didn't call for bell pepper, so I'm just going to add bell pepper. And I'm going to add garlic. About that much. Then I'm going to add salt, pepper, ground paprika, and then I am going to add a little ground thyme. I'm going to mix all that together. Y'all, the recipe that I saw on Facebook, you know, this is day 11 of my keto diet. And this will be my meal. I am loving the keto diet, you guys. I am loving it. And they do have good recipes that you can follow. Good recipes. So I'm going to let this cook down. And I will be right back with you guys, okay? Okay, you guys, next I will be adding the tomato sauce. And I'm going to fill this can with a half a cup of water. And next I am going to add tomato soup. Y'all, and this smells so good. It smells so good. Alrighty, and the next thing I am going to do is get my crock pot. I don't want to pour because it's going to splatter. Yeah, this sauce smells so good. If you hear any sizzling coming from the crock pot, I preheated it. Okay. Now I'm going to add my cabbage, which I already cut up, for time's sake. It's not ugly. I'm going to add my cabbage. Yes, it is ugly. Adding my cabbage. I'm going to layer it. I can imagine how good this is going to taste. This is 1 head of lettuce. So let me pour the remaining of my meat sauce. And then what I'm going to do is add some cheese here in the middle. Then I'm going to add the remaining of the lettuce. Then I'm going to finish adding the rest of the tomato soup and the tomato sauce. I mixed them together. I mixed it together, and plus I'm going to add a little water on top. And you guys, I'm going to put my top on, and when it cooked down, I will be back with you guys to add the mozzarella cheese. Be right back with you guys. Hello everybody, I am back. You guys, I had to take it from the crock pot and put it on my stove top. I had to put it on one of my pots, you know, to finish cooking it on the stove. I should have started this recipe earlier, you know, today, but I didn't. So I have it on my stove top just to finish cooking. So this is what it's looking like. Don't that look good? Yeah, look at that. That looks so good. Yes. Let me go ahead and put it in a bowl, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, here it is. Here it is. I was going to add some rotel tomatoes in it, but my daughter doesn't eat, you know, tomatoes. Look at that. Now for the taste test. Have to let it cool down But my cabbage is not too soft. I didn't want it soft, but just firm enough. Just firm. Okay, look at that. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this is so good, y'all. Mmm. So good. You can sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Mmm. Oh my goodness. This is good, y'all. So I'm going to end this video so that I can eat. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Please share, like, and thumbs up this video. And please stay tuned for another video coming your way. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.